Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 160. In this video I will be explain NCERT textual exercise question. So question number 8, conversion. So first conversion is nitrobenzene to benzoic acid. Nitrobenzene NO2 group attached with the benzene convert into the benzoic acid COOH attached with the benzene. Okay, so how many steps then nitrobenzene convert into the benzoic acid? First here you see NO2 group attached and benzoic acid COOH group. That means NO2 group completely replaced by the acidic group. Okay, but first convert NO2 group in the aniline by easily way SN nitrobenzene react with the tin and then HCl. So convert into the NO2 group out and H2 group attached. Then NH2 attached with the benzene. This is the aniline. So when react with the aniline react with the NaNO2HCl and 273 to 278 Kelvin. So you write aniline convert into the diazonium salt N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, this nitrogen and Cl, N2 plus Cl minus, and then benzene diazonium chloride, and this react with the copper cyanide. So CuCl out and cyanide attached with the benzene ring and N2 gas out. So cyanide react with the water. So this oxygen attached with the carbon. So acidic group easily form, and nitrogen react with the hydrogen replace as a ammonia way. Clear? So how many steps? 1, 2, 3 and then 4. 4 step, then nitrobenzene convert into the benzoic acid. Clear? Then second number benzene to metabromophenol. Benzene, this is a benzene, and metabromophenol. So let's consider how to possible this is the convert bromine attached meta position. So first you understand, first any group attached on the benzene, then we have to consider meta position, right? So first nitration of the benzene, so NO2 group attached with the benzene, then bromination, so Br attached on the meta position, but product OH group. Okay, so Br easily attached on the para position, meta position, but then next step is NO2 replace OH. Okay, so react with the SnHCl and then NO2 group attached converted to the NH2, and then again diazotization and N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, meta position Br, then react with the water, so N2 out, HCl out, and then OH attached with the benzene. So easily form metabromophenol. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, and then fifth step. Total 5 step, then benzene convert into the metabromophenol. Then third is benzoic acid to aniline. Okay, third benzoic acid COOH attached with the benzene. So benzoic acid convert into react with the PCl5. So Cl attached with the CO. So COCl and then hydrogen and one oxygen with phosphorus as 3PO3. Then second step, this benzoyl chloride react with the ammonia. So HCl react with the hydrogen, then react with the ammonia. So hydrogen replaced by the Cl, HCl NH2 group attached with the CO, CO NH2 with the benzene. Okay, then after in the third step, benzene attached with the amide group. So benzamide react with the Br. So this is the CO NH2 group. CO group easily replaced by the and NH2 group attached with the benzene. So aniline are formed. Okay, so 3 steps follow. Though benzoic acid convert into the aniline. Next fourth is aniline convert into the 2,4,6 tribromophlorbenzene. So first NH2 react with the bromine water. So Br easily attach on the 3 position, ortho para. Okay, first you remember one point you learn, basic concept is here, whenever we have to show conversion, so not a right balance equation, directly only for write you main product. Okay, because aniline react with the bromine water, so easily form this is the main product 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. And then in the second step react with the NaNO2 HBF 0 to 5 degrees Celsius Okay, so this nitrogen and BF4, N2 plus BF4 minus attach on this position and then heat, N2 gas out. Okay, and then fluorine attach with the benzene and BF3 out. So not a right extra product, okay, side product, only for you write main product. Clear? Then next is benzyl chloride to convert into the 2-phenyl ethanamine. Okay, here you see benzyl chloride Cl and here 2-phenyl ethanamine, 2-phenyl, that is my first number, second number carbon, second number phenyl group, 2 carbon ethane plus amine, so 2-phenyl ethanamine. Okay, clear? And here you see 1 carbon extra and NH2, so first here react with the KCl, so KCl and then cyanide attach, so 1 carbon extra included here. Okay, and then rehydration, so lithium aluminum hydride, so carbon attached with the hydrogen, nitrogen also, so this is the compound form. Clear? So here 2 step. Clear? Next, 6th number to the 6th number chlorobenzene to para-chloroaniline. Okay, clear? And then 7th aniline to para-bromoaniline, 8th benzamide to toluene, and then 9th aniline to benzyl alcohol. You try, if any have problem, okay, so please tell me. Okay, next question is 9th. Give the structure of the A, B, C in the following reaction. That is reaction given and reactant and then catalyst given. So only for write the main product, like here A. So what is the main product? Then react, then B, then react, then C. Okay, so here you see CS3, CS2I, right? And then react with the NaCN, cyanide, sodium cyanide. So you already learn about when sodium are isolated by the I and cyanide attached with the carbon. So CS3, CS2, Cl. Okay, CS3, CS2, Cl. Then hydrolysis, so carbon also attached with the oxygen. Okay, clear? So CO and then hydrogen attached with the nitrogen. So CS3, CH2, CO, NH2. Then react with the NaOH. So this is the acid form. Okay, so an acid form and then COOH group replaced by this group, NaOH plus Br2 and NH2 group attached with this. So CS3, CH2, NH2. Ethanamine are formed. Clear? Next, second is C6H5N2Cl, diazonium chloride. React with the copper cyanide. So what happened? CuCl out, N2 gas out, and then cyanide attached with the C6H5. Clear? So product is C6H5Cl. Then hydrolysis, so CONH2 amide group. Okay, but completely hydrolysis, so nitrogen replaced by the hydrogen ammonia as a and OH attached with the carbon. So formation C6H5 COOH, right? Then react with the ammonia. So same here, NH2 C6H5 CONH2 and then plus H2. Clear? Then next CS3 CS2Br. React with the KCN. So KBr out and cyanide attach. And cyanide attach. And then again CS3 CS2Cn. React with the lithium aluminum hydride. So bromine replaced by the potassium. So cyanide attach. So CS3 CS2Cl. Then react with the lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride gives to the hydrogen. So carbon accept the hydrogen CH2 and nitrogen also. So CH2 NH2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 carbon propane amine. Then react with the HNO2. So nitrous acid, that is means alcoholic group attached OH. Okay, and this nitrogen replace. So CS3 CS2 CS2 OH, NH2 with hydrogen. Okay, so OH attach this one and ammonia out. Clear? Then next is CS3 COOH. So same is NH3 react. So react with the ammonia. So same as a CO and NH2 and NH3. NH2 attach with this, and then water isolate, and this amide group react with the NaOBr. So CS3 NH2 form, and then the remaining product out, then react with the NaNO2 HCl, so CS3OH. Okay, methanol R form. Then next is C6H5NO2 react with the FeHCl, so its aniline group are attached. Okay, because nitrogen in the presence of the FeHCl, hydration, so hydrogen attached with nitrogen, so NH2. Then HNO2, this is the diazotization, so C6H5N2 plus Cl minus form, then react with the phenol, and when benzene diazonium chloride react with the phenol, so this is compound are formed, 2 phenyl ring attached with the diazo group, and then one side OH group. So its name is paraphenol group attached. Okay, on the diazonium salt. Clear? Next, question number 10. This is the reasonable question, and an aromatic question number 10. An aromatic compound A on treatment with aqueous ammonia and heating forms compound B, which on heating with bromine and KOH forms a compound C of molecular formula C6H7N. So write the structure and IUPAC name of the compound A, B and C. So properly focus here. Okay, this question is a reasonable question. See proper. Here given compound, aromatic compound here A, and then finally compound gives C. So formula of the compound C indicate it to be a amine. Here given compound C of the molecular formula is C6H7N. That is means amine. Okay, since it is obtained by the reaction of the bromine and KOH. Okay, so with the compound B. So compound A. So first you write A, compound A plus treated with the aqueous ammonia. So let's consider like A. We don't know about A. So A plus ammonia by heating, then formation compound B. B also don't know. Then react with the bromine KOH and form compound C, and C is aniline. Formula is C6H7N. So one benzene ring NH2. This is a C6, and aniline already obtained from the amide. So CONH2 react with the benzene, attach with the benzene. So bromination of this compound. So aniline are formed. And amide are formed from the acid when acid react with the ammonia. So OH NH2 group attached with the CO. So amide are formed. So first A is benzoic acid, B is amide, and C is aniline. Clear? Then next question is complete the following reaction. Here you see properly. First you practice the reaction, then you easily write this reaction. Otherwise you can't write. Clear? And you can't understood by this equation. So complete the following reaction. Here you see first aniline C6H5NH2 react with the chloroform plus aqueous alcoholic KOH. C6H5NH2 amine, chloroform, and then alcoholic KOH. So you already known about whenever chloroform and KOH, carbyl-amine reaction. What is the formation? C6H5 nitrogen react with the carbon C6H5NC, phenyl isocyanate. Only for in this reaction you write main product. Okay, then react C6H5N2Cl plus H3PO2 plus H2O. So you already known about benzene diazonium chloride react with the H3PO2 phosphorus acid. Okay, so hydrogen C6H5 react with the hydrogen, and then benzene are formed. Okay, then C6H5NH2 react with the concentrated H2SO4, sulfonation of the aniline. So hydrogen and nitrogen given its lone pair to the sulfate ion, so SO4 minus, and then nitrogen accept the hydrogen, so protonic ion. So C6H5NH3 plus HSO4 minus, and then heating. So nitro NH2 HSO4 group attached with the para position. Okay, so para aniline group, para NH2 C6H4 SO3H. Then next fourth C6H5N2Cl plus C2H5OH. So main product is benzene diazonium chloride react with the phenol alcohol. So C6H5 accept the hydrogen, so benzene are formed, nitrogen isolated, and then CH3OCHO, benzaldehyde, HCl. Okay, so main product is benzene are formed. Then aniline react with the bromine, so it is easy reaction, 3 of position attached by the bromine, so 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Then next 6th number, aniline react with the anhydride, CH3CO2 whole twice, CH3CO whole twice O, so react with the aniline. So this is the anhydride. Open the structure, CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, so one side group, this is the group one side attached, NH2, H attached with the one side, and the remaining NH, CO, CH3. Okay, this is the amide group, CH3CO NH2, clear? Form. Then benzene diazonium chloride react with the HBA4 and then NaNO2 copper. So easily formed. This is a nitrogen also isolated, Cl also isolated by copper, and then NO2 group are attached with the benzene. So nitrobenzene are formed, and it is main important reaction. This is the one reaction whenever nitrobenzene compound formed by the BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, clear? Then question number 12. Why cannot aromatic primary amines be prepared by Gabriel-Thallamide synthesis? And you already know about Gabriel-Thallamide reaction involves only for nucleophilic attack of the thallamide, right? Anion on alkyl halide. And alkyl group is attached to the nitrogen. So only for aliphatic way. So here aryl halide, and aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution. So aromatic primary amine cannot be prepared by the reaction. Clear? So Gabriel-Thallamide reaction given nucleophilic attack, but thallamide reaction on the alkyl halide, and alkyl group attached to the nitrogen, that is means aliphatic amine. Clear? So not a aryl halide react with the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that is means aromatic primary amine can't be prepared by this reaction. Is it? Question number 13. Write the reactions of the aromatic and aliphatic primary amines with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid, that is means HNO2. So first react with the aromatic amine, react with the nitrous acid. So this is the nitrogen, this is the nitrogen, and then react with the HCl, 273 to 278 Kelvin. So N2 plus Cl minus attached with the benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, and then aliphatic primary amine react with the nitrous acid. So same Rn2 plus Cl minus, but hydrolysis, so ROH and then N2 plus HCl. Okay, so alcohol are formed. So when aromatic amine react with the nitrous acid, so BDC are formed, and aliphatic amine RNH2 react, so alcohol are formed. Clear? Next, give plausible explanation for each of the following. So first is why are plausible, that is given one example any. Why are amines less acidic than alcohol but comparison molecular mass? So in alcohol you already know about ROH and amine RNH. Okay, so amines are less acidic because here alcohol, okay, hydrogen atom is attached to the more electronegative oxygen atom. Okay, and here nitrogen nitrogen of amine is less electronegative. So after loss of the H plus ion, negative charge is more easily accommodated on oxygen atom in case of the nitrogen. So amines have lesser tendency to, so they are less acidic ion, because amines have lesser tendency to lose H plus ion, so they are less acidic than alcohol, like CrNH2, RNH minus H plus, and then here RO minus plus H plus. So this is the alkoxide ion and H plus removed. Next question is, why do primary amines have higher boiling point than tertiary? Primary amines have higher boiling point. So primary amines R and H2 have 2 hydrogen atom here on nitrogen. So which can undergo intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and whereas no such hydrogen bonding is present on tertiary amine because nitrogen not no hydrogen. So primary amines boil at higher temperature than comparison tertiary amine because strong hydrogen bonding. Clear? Then question number 3. Why are aliphatic amines stronger bases than aromatic amine? Why are aliphatic amines stronger bases than aromatic amine? So aliphatic amine is stronger base because aromatic amine, the lone pair of the electrons present on the nitrogen atom, and it is represent the resonance, or it shows that this pair of the electron is less available comparison than aliphatic amine, and whereas alkyl group are also electron releasing. So aliphatic amine are stronger base than aromatic amine. Here you see nitrogen given its lone pair to the benzene ring due to the resonance, not a given lone pair to the other ring, other compound. Okay, so in aromatic compound given to the lone pair to the benzene, and here resonance represent, okay, due to the less available in the of the pair of the electron comparison than the aliphatic. Clear? But in aliphatic, alkyl group easily electron release, so it is a stronger base than the aromatic amine. Clear? Got it? So all question are covered. If any question you have a doubt, so please tell me by the message. Okay, so without any confusion, okay, without any stress, without any hesitation, okay, so please tell me in which question you have a doubt, so again I explain. Okay, clear? Got it? Thank you so much.